good day to everyone. Okay, so I'm back again for good joke. Last time I did already discuss to you how to convert units of measure of length and mass or weight. Now, this time we're going to have our third conversion, and that will be all about how to convert units of measure of volume, capacity. Okay, so please stay tuned and keep on watching.
N. So let's have now measures of volume and capacity. Oftentimes, see volume and capacity are used interchangeably, however, they are different, right? So let's differentiate volume and capacity. I have here a container, and this container has the following dimensions: 10 centimeter in length, 10 centimeters in width, and has a height of 10 centimeters. Now, in this case, since this container has the following dimensions, 10 centimeters in all, they are of the same length, width, and height, therefore you are being asked how much amount of space is occupied. And so, you are being asked of what is the volume of the following container. Ibig sabihin, um, this container has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeters or 1000 cc cubic centimeters. Now, if you are told or if you are asked how much a container can hold or how much this container can hold, therefore you are being asked of the capacity, and this container can hold up to 1 liter. So yun yung difference ni volume and capacity. Usually, ang volume ginagamit siya for solid figures, while ang capacity madalas ginagamit siya sa liquids. Well, actually, somehow, at some point, kapag um, parang in relation parang si capacity kasi naka-anchor na siya kay volume. Like say for example, a swimming pool is 15 meters long and 10 meters wide. Okay, so ipagpalagay natin na meron tayong swimming pool na may habang 15 meters at and 10 meters wide. And if it is to be filled up ng water, na may lalim na 1.5 meters, gaano kadaming liters of water ang kakailangan para mapuno ang swimming pool na yon? Parang ganon. Parang ganon, kumbaga, somehow, talagang may relation talaga. Halimbawa, an ice cream cone. Kung meron akong ice cream cone, 'di ba, volume yon. Okay, kumbaga, kung gaano kalaki yung ice cream cone na meron ako, na usually binibili natin, maliit pa siya or malaki, gaano kadami yung pwedeng makapasok doon na ice cream na pwedeng nating makainin. So, somehow talaga, may relation sila sa isa't isa. That is why oftentimes they are used interchangeably. However, they are really, strictly speaking, different with each other. Okay, so let's now proceed. I'm going to discuss to you the different units commonly used for volume, for metric, and for English. So, if we talk about volume, again, we talk about how much space a region takes up. Alright? So, kung gaano siya kalawak yung container na yon. For metric, we have the cubic centimeters, or usually makakakita kayo or makakabasa kayo ng cc. Kapag nakabasa kayo ng cc, it means cubic centimeter also. So, kahit alin dun sa dalawang unit, they mean the same. We have the cubic meters. Usually, yung cubic centimeters sa mga container, food container, and tong cubic meters, usually sa mga swimming pool siya ginagamit. Then, for English, we have the cubic inches, cubic feet. Ginagamit din tong cubic feet sa swimming pool. Di ba makikita ninyo madalas? Ilang feet yan? So, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganon, it means, let's say, kunwari, it's 6 feet. So, if it is 6 feet, ibig sabihin, still, gaano kalawak yung swimming pool na yon, parang ganon. And then, we have the cubic yards. Minsan din makakita nyo tong yards na to. Right? So, when we talk about capacity naman, these are the commonly used units for capacity. And again, capacity means how much a container can hold. So, gaano kadami ang pwede natin daw mailagay doon. Pwede din namang sasakyan. Like, say for example, ano yung capacity ng jeep or capacity ng van. Alright, so these are the units commonly used for metric and English. For metric, we have the ml or milliliter and we have the L or liter. So usually, ito ay ginagamit sa mga gamot, ganon. Ilang ml ang iinumin na gamot para gumaling na. And for English, we have the fluid ounce used also for liquid. And we have the pint and we have the gallon. So, malaki, itong gallon, malaki na to. Kaya nga tayo may tinawag na iba na galon kasi it's because of this unit. Really, there is really a unit gallon. Okay, so let's have the following examples for volume. Number 1, if I have 8 cubic meter, this is equal to how many cubic millimeters? So in this case, kailangan natin gumamit ulit ng metric converter, which is yung ladder natin. And back when you can still remember, I did already discuss this units, yung mga prefixes. Kaya lang this time, since we talk about volume, meron talaga kayong makikitang exponent na 3. And tingnan natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng exponent na yon. So here's our ladder method. And in the previous lesson about measures of length, wala kayong makikitang 3 kasi kumbaga one dimension lang yon, as in haba lang or distance lang or layo lang. Now this time kasi dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin ay volume and it is of 3 dimension, therefore talagang naka-raised into exponent 3 to. Then again, always remember that to determine where your starting unit is. So in this case, you're going to start in cubic meters. There. And then, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay kung ano daw yung katumbas ng 8 cubic meter into cubic millimeters. So, dyan tayo ngayon magtatapos. Now, medyo maiiba dito ng konti kasi you will see that the exponent is 3 and ano kayang ibig ipakahulugan nun? So, if you have 8, you know that 8 is a whole number and its decimal point is found right after 8 here. So, yung 8 daw natin na gawin natin ay since papunta tayo sa kanan, therefore we are going to multiply. We're going to multiply by what? We're going to multiply as you move one step to the right. That means you're going to multiply the given number by 10 cube or 10 cube means 1,000. So, ibig sabihin yung pindutin mo na sa calculator mo yung 8, i-times natin sa 1,000. Another step to the right means multiplying again by 1,000. Okay? Kasi ibig sabihin ng 3 dito, that means 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Powers of 10 to. So, 10, kumbaga, 10 cube means 1,000. So, again, another step to the right means you're going to multiply by 1,000 again. So, 8 times 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000 or 8 times 10 raised to 9. Paano naging 9 to? 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So, 10 raised to 9. Or simply 8, what? 8 trillion. Okay, so that will be your final answer. At yun na yung katumbas na cubic millimeter ng 8 cubic meter. Let's have now another example. Number 2, 340,000 cubic centimeters is equal to how many cubic meters? So again, using our ladder method or the metric converter that we have, first identify where you're going to start. So we're going to start our unit from here, so cubic centimeter. And then we're going to end in cubic meter. So, ilang step yan? Now, you will see that saan tayo papunta? Kaliwa or kanan? Right, papunta tayo sa kaliwa. So, given 340,000, that means yung 340,000 natin, i-divide daw natin yon by 10 cube. Take note ha, bakit divide? Kasi papunta tayo sa kaliwa. As you move one step to the left, that means you're going to divide. But as you move one step to the right, that means you're going to multiply by 10 cubes. So, since papunta tayo sa kaliwa, so magdi-divide tayo by 10 cube or divide by 1,000. So, yung 340,000 natin, i-divide natin siya by 1,000. And then, another move to the left means we're going to divide again by 1,000. Now, using your calculator, pindutin nyo na para medyo mabilis tayo. We're going to have 340,000 divided by 10 raised to 6. Bakit naging 6? It's because you have your 3 plus 3, yung dalawang exponent mo na 3, i-plus mo lang yun, so 10 raised to 6, or yung 340,000, i-divide mo lang daw siya by what? By 1 million. Okay, bakit naging 1 million? Kasi 10 raised to 6 means 1 followed by 6 zeros, or simply 1 million. And dividing this, you'll get an answer of 0.32. Okay, bakit naging 0.32? Kasi mag-divide ka. Pinutin mo yung calculator mo. 340,000 divided by 1 million. Right? So therefore, our final answer is none other than but 0.34, of course. Okay, so those are all our examples for volume. Let's now proceed to examples for capacity. Okay, so it is very important that in capacity, you have to be familiar with the following units of conversion. I mean, this conversion table. Actually, hindi lang to ha, madami pa to. But I just flashed to you the commonly used units. Actually, etong pint, hindi pa nga siya masyado. Usually, eto lang ito. Yung mga cook natin, magagaling sila. Alam nila kung ilang ml or tablespoon. Kasi usually, sila talaga yung madalas na mga nagluluto, nagbe-bake, or whatsoever. So, alam na alam talaga nila to. Okay? So, I have here the following. Convert the following 16 cups of tea into liter. So, meron akong 16 cups of tea dito. T, tsaa. C means cup ha, and L means liter. Ibig sabihin, gaano kadaming litro ang katumbas ng 16 cups na to. So, back again to the given conversion table we have a while ago, sinabi doon na ang 1 cup daw ay katumbas ng 0.28 liters. So, paano kung meron ka ngang 16 cups? Ibig sabihin, ang kada isa nito ay 0.28 liters, 0.28 liters, 0.28 liters, 0.28 liters, so on and so forth, 0.28 liters. Kaya lang, nakakapagod naman yun kung mag-a-add ka ng mag-a-add nun. So, gamit na lang tayo ng shortcut. Kung ang 1 cup ay katumbas ng 0.28 liters, therefore, we're going to have 16. I-times lang natin siya sa 0.28. And multiplying 16 by 0.28 is equal to 4.48 liters. So, ibig sabihin, Etong 6 na cups of tea dito ay katumbas ng 4 at may halos kalahati na litro ng tsaa. So, you just remember yung 1 litro ng Coke, 'di ba? Yung 1 litro ng Coke, yun na yun. Yun yung 1 liter. Ibig sabihin, yung tsaa daw dito ay katumbas ng 4 na litro ng Coke. Parang ganon. Right? So, that will be your final answer. Then, next, let's have another example. Do you know what is this? Okay, so a bottle of Propan TLC vitamins contains 4 fluid ounce. So, 4 fluid ounce daw yung laman ng bottle na kanina na flinash ko sa inyo. If you are going to drink the medicine and the doctor prescribed 5 ml 3 times a day, how many days are you going to drink the 1 bottle of vitamins? In short, sa Tagalog, kung yung isang bote daw na yun, kanina na flinash ko of Propan TLC vitamins ay naglalaman ng 4 fluid ounce, at sinabi na kailangan mong uminom nito ng vitamins na yon ng 5 ml ng 3 beses sa isang araw. So, bale, ilang ml na maiinom mo sa isang araw kung 3 beses kang iinom? 15 ml, di ba? Tama? Sa isang araw? Tama ba? Okay, tama. Now, kung 15 ml ang iinumin mo sa isang araw, ilang araw mo mauubos ang vitamins na yon? Okay? So, let's see. Yan yung mga given natin. Okay? Then, let's have the following. So, convert 4 fluid ounce into ml. So, yung given natin kanina, di ba kasi, ito daw ay naglalaman ng 4 fluid ounce. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, i-convert natin siya ngayon into ml. It is really very important na dapat marunong talaga tayong mag-convert kasi para natatansya din natin yung budget natin, di ba? Kung ang kaya natin ay makabili ng isang vitamins lang sa isang linggo, o magkano ang budget natin? Kumbaga, parang ganon. Kailangan talaga na paglalaanan natin. So, nakukompute natin para napaglalaanan natin, kumbaga ganon. Now, it says a while ago, based from our conversion table, that 1 fluid ounce is equal to 30 ml. Aalamin natin kung ilang ml ang laman nito, kung ito ay 4 fluid ounce. So, to compute this, of course, 4 is equal to, 4, i-times natin lang siya sa 30, yung given conversion natin. So, 4 i-times natin sa 30, this is equal to 120 ml. But this is not yet our final answer, di ba? Kasi ang hinihingi sa atin ay kung ilang araw mauubos to. Alright? So, kung ilang araw mauubos to, yun ang aalamin natin. Now, sa isang araw, di ba, ang sabi ng doktor, kailangan mong uminom ng 5 ml 3 times a day. So, ibig sabihin, sa isang araw, kailangan mong makainom ng 15 ml per day. Now, para malaman natin kung ilang araw mauubos itong 120 ml o Propan vitamins na to, therefore, yung 120 na ml, i-times lang natin sa 50. I-divide lang natin sa ml. Bakit tayo magdi-divide? Kasi aalamin natin kung ilang araw lang siya pwedeng maubos. Di ba kasi sa isang araw, 15 ml yun, di ba? 15 ml. Ngayon, ilang araw mauubos yun. So, kaya tayo magdi-divide. Okay? Yung 120, divide lang natin siya by 15. So, we will get 8. And, ibig sabihin, yung 8 na yun yung days kung kailan masasaid yung vitamins na to. Nakuha nyo ba? Okay, so I do really hope nakuha nyo. Therefore, that is your final answer. So, importante na alam niyo yung conversion table natin kasi if you don't know that, then you will have a hard time converting units of measure of volume and capacity. right? So I hope you do learn a lot in this topic, all about how to convert units of measure of volume and capacity. See you in the next one. Bye bye.